Hey guys, the only 2025 Lotus Avaya is our today's video topic, and welcome back to my Auto MT YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share all upcoming cars to Lotus Avaya, which is pronounced Avaya, is unique and powerful car. It classified as the hypercar, meaning it's extremely powerful and very expensive model. The Avaya has the 4 electric motor which is produced nearly 2000 horsepower, which is close to very Koenigsegg Gemra, making it the most powerful Lotus ever made. When Lotus introduced in its 2019, they announced that only 130 units would be produced. All have been sold, each costing around over 200 to $2 million around. And the standout features in the Avaya is the electric powertrain. The 4 electric motors collectively generate 1972 horsepower and 1254 pound-feet of torque, making it nearly twice as powerful as other hypercar like the Aston Martin Valkyrie. And this powerful is delivered to the all four wheels through an automatic transmission. And although every Avaya has been sold, Lotus still need to manufacture and deliver some 2025 models, and these will be identical to the previous year model with no changes. So designed to be a lightweight, the Avaya weighs just over 3,700 pounds, making it the lightest electric hypercar ever. Its lightweight construction contribute to the impressive handling and the performance, allowing to reach over 2,200 mph and speed acceleration for the 0 to 62 mph in less than 3 seconds, which is too good. And the Avaya incredibly power allow it to accelerate from 0 to 186 mph in just under 9 seconds, and it can reach up to top speed over the 200 mph. And despite being all electric car, it features hydraulic steering, which enhance the driving experience by providing a more connected feel to the road at the high speed. And unfortunately, only a few lucky individuals will get the drive an extraordinary hypercar. The prototype, the Avaya, didn't include all the advanced features of the production model, such as the active aerodynamic and the torque vectoring, but it is still had over 1600 horsepower and demonstrated its incredible speed. So the Avaya seats 2 people only, and entry is the through door and the open upward to maintain a sleek appearance. The doors don't have handles and are instead open using the key fob. Inside there is a switch to close door. And one common issue with the electric car is long charging time, but the Avaya is different. It can charge up to 80% in just 12 minutes, and the full charge take only 18 minutes. Additionally, it can travel up to 250 miles on a single charge, which is quite so impressive. And if you are looking to buy all new 2025 Lotus Avaya, you will be prepared to spend around $2.3 million. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.